All right, this is Paul and Sal, and we're gonna talk about his Japanese yuzu tree, a lemon tree. So it's native to Japan. And can you tell us more about it, Sal? I really don't know much about it at all.
Well, I've been looking online, and I know you can make a liquor out of it, and I found a recipe for that.
Uh-huh.
And you can actually I made a marmalade out of it, which seemed pretty
Smells
good.
wonderful.
But this is popular with cooking.
It is. Most chefs use. You have to use the skin. You can use the skin and the pulp for cooking.
So mainly for the rind, and
You use the whole fruit for cooking.
and it's native to Japan. You
Yes.
said, and you say that it's very expensive.
Yeah, I found it online for like $15 a pound.
That is
$15
crazy.
a pound. That's legit.
Yeah.
And
That's
so
more expensive than dragon fruit.
It's a bit more wrinkly, kind of drier than I thought, than most citrus, I would
Yeah,
say. It's more
yeah.
of a drier type of fruit. There are seeds in it, right?
Yeah, a lot
Feel
of
some.
seeds.
And let's see how it tastes. I would say it's more tart than the Seville orange.
Really?
Yeah.
I would say, man, smell-wise, it's probably the best smelling scent of lemon, in my opinion. And let's see what Scott says about it. Let's have him try a little piece here.
All right.
All right. What do
Yeah.
you think?
Big seeds. Wow.
Really big seeds. Really fibery. Not as juicy as I thought it would
Yeah.
be.
It's not as bitter as the Seville orange.
Yeah, the finish is smoother.
It's just more straight sour. But it's good, pleasant.
It's very pleasant smell. I mean, yeah, I actually would like a little bit of juice. I could
Yeah.
see using this in cooking.
Yeah, it's just like that. You have to use a lot of them to get a fair amount of juice.
Yeah.
And you said you made a marmalade out of
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Wow, that must have tasted wonderful.
I can see that.
How about growing in Southern California? How does this plant respond to the climate?
Well, it's pretty good because look at mine.
Yeah, it's doing great. Do you fertilize it at all?
I don't fertilize a lot of my as much as I should.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So more of just all the natural
Yeah.
decomposition of the
Correct.
leaves. Okay. Well, definitely this is a must try, and it's becoming much more popular. And as you can see, it's an expensive, rare citrus fruit native to Japan. So this is the Yuzu lemon. So there you go. Give us a like and subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Take care.